still in the closet. We haven't heard the beast in a while. We haven't found it. We haven't seen it. No. We're sitting in the closet. It's not in here with us. No. Show them the closet. Show them the closet. Okay. See, it's not in there. I don't think it's not in there. Okay. Okay. And we don't know how to find it. Maybe it's sleeping. Maybe it's sleeping. Wait. Maybe it left. We're gonna go kill it.